As sure as the seasons begin to turn, it's never too early to start thinking about how to prepare for its weather changes that are sure to follow. So let's start by doing some basic DIY prep work to stay ahead of it. Doing so will help you properly prepare your home so it'll be ready to face these periodic climate adjustments while at the same time safeguarding your home for each of the coming seasons ahead. Each spring, we see them daily on the roads we drive. Potholes. Well, the concrete and asphalt driveway and walk at your home are subject to the same expanding and contracting road damage, but on a smaller scale. You know it's coming, grilling season. So let's get in there and scrub off those grates and burners, check the tank regulator, and give it all a once-over. Probably a good time to top off the tank as well, so you'll be all ready to go. An efficiently operating heating and air conditioning system is vital to every homeowner. Here's a few DIY tips almost every homeowner can handle. Simple things from a periodic filter swap out to replacing dried out duct taping to pre-season startup check to using a condenser cover. These will all help protect the longevity of your HVAC system. We all like to drive around admiring others' homes, but the next time you do, look up at the roofs. You'll be shocked to see how many homes have that unsightly shingle staining. This fairly common algae growth does little harm to the roof, but it is unattractive. With a power washer, this cleanup can usually be handled from ground level, but if it requires going on a ladder, don't attempt without assistance. It's amazing how loud the footsteps of a mouse can be at 2:30 in the morning, so why don't we try to convince them to look elsewhere before they come for a visit? By doing a simple walk around outside of your house, you'll probably find a few spots that a mouse might try to get in. Taking steps now just may avoid hearing their steps later. They sit pretty much out of sight from our day-to-day, but each of these detectors are vital to your home and your family's safety. These checks should generally be performed twice a year and are very simple to do. Keep in mind the standard lifespan of your CO detector is a maximum of 7 years, so let's check first to see if that needs replacing. Ceiling fans are a great source for moving the still warm air in the summer months, but you do know that it can provide the same comforting effects in the cooler months, didn't you? Let's flip the switch, it's just that easy. And while we're up there, let's be sure the bulbs in the lighting unit, if they have one, are energy-efficient LEDs. As the hours of dusk change with the seasons, it's time to reset your low-voltage timers if you have them. Also a good time to see if any of the bulbs need replacing. If you have solar, why not swap out the old with a new set of fresh, rechargeable batteries to get you through the next year? Finally, if you put in some new plantings affected by the lighting, you may want to go out and do some readjusting. We love the convenience and ease of use of our backyard furniture, but over time they succumb, especially the PVC style, to the weather, just like anything else. Another good reason to own a power washer. With some light sponging with soap and water and a power rinse, you'll be ready to start or end your season and be ready for the next. Lots of helpful tips and insights to keep on your seasonal hit list. So remember, always try and think ahead to the next season so it won't catch you off guard.